This is the ultimate healthy comfort food, the perfect pair for the Ragi Mudde we made last week. Welcome back to the Deepaks kitchen. Today we are making a soul satisfying Palak Soppina Saaru or the Spinach Curry that is as nutritious as it is delicious.
And today I'm going to show you my method of doing this Palak Dal or the Palak Soppina Saaru in my style. So how I do it in my home whenever I crave to eat this beautiful and yummy curry. So let's see how this is done.
These are the ingredients required to make this recipe. If you want, take a screenshot of it. Now, let's start with a fresh bunch of palak. Wash it thoroughly. Keep those flavor-packed stems and just tear them with rustic pieces by hand. No knife needed at all. Just tear them apart. Just add it into the bowl. Here I am taking the dal, the Toor Dal, which I have soaked for about 1 hour and washed it thoroughly and soaked it for about 1 hour. Let's keep this aside. In your pressure cooker, add half a cup of Toor Dal, turmeric powder and green chilies for heat, and toss in that beautiful spinach and a cup of water. Just give it a nice mix. Now let's close the lid and allow this to cook for about 1 or 2 whistles until the dal and the spinach is perfectly cooked. Now it's been nearly 2 whistles. Let's open the lid. Once it's cooked and the pressure has naturally released, give it a good mash. We want a lovely thick texture that's still a bit chunky, just like this. Don't make it a fine paste of it, just keep some chunky. It will give a nice texture to it. Time for the magic, the secret tempering. Heat peanut oil nearly 2 tablespoons and splatter mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add fresh curry leaves and the main important thing, a whole pod of crushed garlic for that incredible aroma, and saute until a nice aroma arises. It will take you roughly between 30 seconds or so. Now add in your chopped onions, some tomatoes with a bit of salt, and saute until the onions and tomatoes are nicely soft. And while doing that, make sure you keep the flame all the way to high until the onions and tomatoes are nicely soft and cooked. Now look, after a few minutes the onions and tomatoes seems to look nicely soft and jammy. And now pour in some tamarind extract. I have taken nearly a gooseberry sized tamarind, soaked it in water and take a pulp out of it. And this adds the essential tang that makes this whole dish pop. Let's simmer it for a few minutes and allow all the onions and tomatoes soak up that sour taste. And we need to cook until all the moisture is evaporated. Just look the before and after, how in the before how watery it is, and in the after look how much I have dried it out. If you cook this until this consistency, now it's perfect. The magical tempering is now done. Let's mix it. So here is the prepared dal. Combine your sauteed mixture with the mashed dal and spinach. Adjust the consistency with a little bit of water if you want and bring it to a final boil. So as you know, we are having this with the Ragi Mudde, so I want a little bit of a thick consistency so that it can cling on to that mudde on every bite. So this consistency is good for me. So you can adjust for whatever consistency you need. And just look at this, how beautiful this Palak Soppina Saaru is. It truly is a perfect partner with our Ragi Mudde we made last week.
This Palak Dal is very flavorful and very healthy to have in your diet. So this is how I do in my home whenever I wish to eat this beautiful curry. I know you do this in many other ways in your home, but do this in my style, how exactly I've shown in this video. You'll definitely love it. So I will be back in next one. Till then, this is your host and host Deepaks signing off, and Jai Hind. Namaste.